pretty impressive, right? The crazy part is that this entire animation started from a simple prompt. If you're creating manga, anime stories, game characters, or animated content, consistency is everything. So today I'm testing PixAI, an AI platform built specifically for anime creators that gives you access to thousands of community models, powerful LoRAs, character consistency tools, AI video generation, and much more. Let's see exactly how this was created and what PixAI can do. First, open your browser and search for PixAI. Then select the official website from the search results. After logging into your account, you'll land on the homepage where you can explore thousands of anime characters, artworks, and creations generated by the PixAI community. This is a great place to discover new styles, get inspiration, and see what's possible before creating your own anime character. Now let's jump into the Generation tab and create our first anime character. At the top, you'll find the prompt box. This is where you can describe anything you want to create. For this example, I'll enter, "A girl stands peacefully holding a vibrant red spider lily in her hand." Now, if you're new to prompting, PixAI has a really useful feature called Prompt Helper that automatically improves your prompts for better results. Over on the right side, you'll find PixAI's model selection. This is one of PixAI's biggest strengths because it offers a huge collection of official and community-trained models. Each model has its own unique anime style, allowing you to experiment and find the look that matches your project. Select your model. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful parts of PixAI, LoRAs. If you've ever struggled with character consistency, LoRAs can make a huge difference. PixAI provides access to a massive library of community-created LoRAs that can help control specific characters, outfits, art styles, expressions, and visual details. Simply select a LoRA and adjust its strength to control how much influence it has on the final image. What makes this even better is that PixAI allows you to combine multiple LoRAs together for highly customized results. And if you want complete control, PixAI even allows users to train their own LoRAs. To create consistent character, you can customize several settings. You can adjust aspect ratio, image size, and other generation settings depending on your workflow. More advanced users can fine-tune quality settings and generation controls to get exactly the results they're looking for. Before generating, another feature I really like is Reference Pro. This is also called image-to-image feature. Instead of relying only on text prompts, you can upload a reference image and use it to guide the generation process. Now click Generate. Within moments, PixAI creates a detailed anime illustration with impressive quality, strong character design, and clean visual consistency. Now imagine you want to use this character in a manga, game, animation project, or visual novel. You'll probably need multiple expressions, poses, and reference angles. This is where PixAI's toolbox becomes extremely useful. Inside the toolbox, you'll find several creator-focused tools, including the character sheet generator. Simply upload your character image and hit Generate. PixAI automatically creates a professional character sheet with multiple expressions, different viewing angles, and organized design references. What would normally take hours of manual work can be done in just minutes. We'll switch over to the image-to-video feature. First, upload the image and enter a motion prompt. Here, I'm describing my idea. The girl flicks the flower in her hand and then gently floats backwards. Next, choose a video model depending on whether you want stronger prompt understanding, better character consistency, or more dynamic motion. Then, select your video duration. Now click Generate. After a short render, PixAI transforms the static image into a smooth anime-style video. What impressed me the most is the character consistency. Another feature worth highlighting is Mio AI Assistant. Mio allows you to create and edit images using natural language. I can simply ask Mio, "I want to create an epic fantasy scene for an AI video." It gives me the complete prompt and recommended settings. Then simply type, "Generate the scene." A few moments later, Mio generates the image. This makes experimentation incredibly easy, especially for beginners. Overall, PixAI is one of the most complete anime-focused AI platforms I've tested. You get access to powerful text-to-image generation, image-to-image workflows, community models, LoRAs, custom LoRA training, Reference Pro, character consistency tools, image-to-video generation, creator-focused toolbox features, and the Mio AI Assistant all in one platform. PixAI provides a streamlined workflow that makes the entire process much easier. If you'd like to try PixAI yourself, you'll find the link in the description and pinned comment below. Let me know what kind of anime character you'd create first, and I'll see you in the next video.